channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make chocolate chiffon cake. Let's get started.
Crack 2?
No,
3, 4.
first you'll need to crack 4 eggs.
Oh, not that good.
Okay, let me do it. So, just pound it.
Pound, pound, pound.
Get them in.
I'm gonna try.
Can you throw these away?
I'm gonna try first.
Okay, you can try.
Stick my thumb in.
Third egg. Cracked.
It's broken.
Yeah, let me crack this one. I feel like there's... Oh, yeah, you can get that. Here's this one. Okay. Now you need to take the egg yolk out of the egg whites. Okay. This one got squashed a bit, so this one's a bit hard. Yikes. See? Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh man.
This is sticky.
Okay.
Ew, there's still some egg white.
Now you need to add 75 grams of vegetable oil.
Can I pour it in?
Okay. Okay, that's good. Now add 30 grams of cocoa powder. Oof.
You pour it.
Yes, I know.
I'm sure.
No.
Mix it.
Now mix it.
I whisk.
You left your whisk over there.
No, this is supposed to be your whisk. Ah, I can see it.
It's getting nice and chocolatey.
But we can't eat this
I know.
because of the oil.
Now you need to add, sift 75 grams of cake flour. You can use normal flour. You want to pour into the sifter. Don't use your hands. Whoa. Okay, wait, stop. Wait, there's some left. Okay, now let's do this. So you can just push it into the holes or tap on the sides. Now you'll need to mix it.
Pour my whisks.
Okay, I think it's good. No, okay, now you will need to add your egg yolks. Pour in 120 grams of milk.
Milk. I want to drink that milk.
Okay, now let's mix. It's got more liquidy. Okay, stop hitting me. Okay, why don't you mix first? Oh, look at my whisk. You'll need to add 10 grams of white vinegar. I can barely see it. Pour it in. This will help it get into the white and fluffy form.
Or you can use a lemon.
You can use lemon juice too. Doesn't really matter, but I'm gonna use white vinegar. Start on speed 1. Let me do this. Now I think I'll need to add 75 grams of sugar. Pour in. Once it starts becoming like white and a bit fluffy, you want to go down speed. So that you won't, it will be less likely for you to beat it too much. See the peaks. Wow, they're so droopy.
Can I do it at speed 1?
No, not yet. A little down speed.
Can I do it?
So sweet. Okay, now I think it's ready. Let's turn it off. Okay, let me put it down. Let's dip it in. Yeah. They're good. See? They're a bit droopy at the ends. Remember in the last video with the cheesecake, it was absolutely pointed up. That means I beat the egg yolk way too much. There has to be a little bend. Just like this. Okay, now you want to add 1/3 of this into your chocolatey mix.
You put the peaks in.
Okay. I put the peaks in. See, this is about 1/3 of the mixture. You want to mix this mixture gently. Not like,
And then to each other.
You want to pour the brown mixture into the white mixture. Okay. Okay, now mix the two mixtures together. Now pour it into your cake pan. This is a 6-inch cake pan.
But you
Put parchment paper at the bottom.
You can use a 7-inch.
Or an 8-inch. Escape it. You want to put the cake pan into another baking pan and put boiling water in it. Ask a grown-up to do that. Now you need to cover this with aluminum foil. I'm not gonna wrap it. You need to wrap it around, but I'm not gonna wrap it around because it's too hot for me. Now you'll need to put it into your oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit and for 1 hour. See you in an hour. Now this cake has been baked for 1 hour, it has been cooled. And we're gonna try it. It's a bit soft. You have a little slice.
Still not soft.
Okay, let me feel it. Bit squishy. Okay, time to. Here we go.
Tastes like dark chocolate, but I prefer it to have more sugar.
I think it tastes good, except it's just a little too bitter. I like it.
I think it tastes like brownies.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share this video with your friends, and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.